Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is no cream ice cream. Here I'm adding no cream to this yummy banana ice cream. This ice cream is so creamy without any cream, so stay tuned to know how to make this no cream banana ice cream or no cream ice cream. We'll be needing the following ingredients to make our no cream ice cream or no cream banana ice cream. Now we'll take our blender jar and we'll chop our bananas in the blender jar. I'm using the local Yelakki banana that we get. You can also use the robust banana if you like to. After chopping all the bananas, we'll add in our milk into the blender jar. We'll also add the condensed milk to the blender jar. Now we'll blend this into a nice fine paste in the blender. This is how the paste will look once we have blended it in a blender jar. Add the elaichi powder or the cardamom powder, hung curd. Now we will use an egg beater to beat in or to mix in the curd and the elaichi powder. You can also use fork in place of the beater if you don't have the beater. Here we are using the fork or the beater just to incorporate good amount of air inside the mixture. Now we'll transfer this mixture into a container. Close the lid. Put the container in a zip pouch or in a polythene bag like this and put it into the freezer. This step is important to do to avoid crystal formation in your ice cream. Put this into a freezer for around 8 to 12 hours. After around 8 hours, we'll just check on it. We'll scoop out the ice cream and check. Yeah, as you can see, it's so creamy and so nice, and we've not used any cream to make this ice cream. Serve it in a serving bowl. Just sprinkle some nuts on it, any nuts that you like. Now our banana ice cream is ready to be served.
I hope you guys really liked the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button, and also if you found it helpful, do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.